it's time for Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here.
Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday again, my favorite day of the week. I'm vlogging today, and today's gonna be really fun. I mean, we're not gonna be doing too many things. I do have D&D today. I missed last session because I felt horrible. Like, I was super nauseous during last session, so I didn't go. So I really do want to go. I missed a huge fight last time, so I need to go make up for that. I have my coffee. That Infiniment, I don't know, Gourmand pod is very good. And then Raph said that he wants to have a everything bagel sandwich from this place that's close to us, and then I'm gonna get a McGriddle from McDonald's because it's been a while since I've had a McGriddle and I really want the one. So yeah, that's the plan for breakfast, and then I think I'll come home and make cinnamon rolls just to kind of have them because my mom actually got us some with cream cheese icing and buttercream icing, which is very good. Tomorrow we might have a little bit of an outing. I don't know. I do have to do a couple of things. I have to return something that I bought from Saks. I wanted to show you my outfit. Just for right now, this is not like the most revolutionary outfit, but I really loved it. Guys, I'm obsessed with this Kate cardigan. I genuinely, you can ask my husband. I have not worn anything else since I got this cardigan. I got this cardigan last week and I've worn it every single day, and I just love it so much. I cannot wait to get the brown one at some point. I got this in a small, and this cardigan, it's very pricey. I did get it on a discount on sale. Genuinely, it's the best cardigan, and I love it so much. I tend to roll up the sleeves because the sleeves are pretty long if you just have them out, but it just makes any outfit just look so good. I love this cardigan so much. But we do have to go because McDonald's stopped selling breakfast at like 10:30-ish, and it's 9:17, so I think we have plenty of time, babe.
Yeah.
Are you ready? We should have enough time, but I'm worried that my coffee is gonna get cold. I do have the Ember mug, which I use to keep it warm, so it should keep it warm, but I don't know. Anyways, I'll let you know when something else fun happens. Okay. We're at McDonald's getting my stuff. I'm very glad we got here before they closed, or not closed, but like stopped selling breakfast. It's 9:40, and then we're gonna go to Raph's place to get his, and then I gotta get the car washed, y'all. My car is nasty. It's been raining literally from Monday until Friday. Today's Saturday. It rained every single day, all day long for a whole week. My car is disgusting, and it has leaves all over it. So we're gonna run it through the car wash and vacuum it out and everything and make it all nice and shiny. Then I forgot to get my return. I forgot to bring it with me, so I gotta go back and get that. Oh, we gotta go to Target. Babe.
Yeah, okay. Yes,
We gotta go to Target because I have a pickup order, and then we need to get bread because we're out of bread.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any present.
We come here every week. Bread. All I need today is bread. Let's see. bread. And then did you want to try to get like a baguette?
Yeah.
And then we can go over, we can go over here to see if there's like a baguette or something that you want. Oh, look at the little scones. Oh, I want to see if they have the regular croissants. Like oh, they do. Wow. They have these regular croissants. These are so freaking good, y'all. And then we might, hey babe, I found the regular croissants. Do we need more of these ones too? Yeah, okay. All right, so we're definitely gonna get this. Let's find a good one. That one looks really good. I don't know, we'll just go with this one. And then let's find, yeah, this one looks good right here. Did you find something?
It's also soft. I don't even know how it qualifies as bread, but that one is the best one.
Okay.
It looks like brioche.
I think that was it. We can go to customer service and get the chips. Oh, did you want to look at the games though? Hi, we're back home now, and I decided that my closet needs a clear out. I have too many things. I want to try to like rearrange the closet in general. Maybe put like my sweaters. I have them folded normally, but I heard that it's not usually a good thing to fold your sweaters. So I was thinking maybe I'll just try a couple different things. But right now I need to clear out what I'm not gonna be wearing. I have like my shirts and stuff over here, so.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And
See, I don't know what to do about things like this because like I know that I'm never gonna wear these again, but like they were really cool when I had them, you know? But I wish I would have wore them more. I've got a bunch of other denim pieces. I'm gonna put all these up for sale.
I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry house.
I don't know what to do with these. It's on my hair, and I know I'm not gonna wear these again. So I don't know what to do about these.
Christmas, let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come.
So my tank tops pretty much have to be up here because they're short, and this area here is short. Unless I move all my sweaters up here and move tank tops and stuff down here. Do I have enough hangers?
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's
Things like this, like crew necks, I'm just gonna keep folded just so I don't feel like they need to be hanging. The crew necks can stay folded.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes.
Yeah, I don't know if I like that. It feels really crowded, like over here. I don't think I like it because then these are still too long to like, you can't really even see what's over here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep the sweaters folded, to be honest. Yeah, I don't like it.
When it's time for Christmas, let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here.
Good morning! It is now Sunday and I've already got ready and done my makeup because we are going to eat lunch with my parents today. And my hair is really dirty. I need to wash it soon, but I need to just kind of do something to it for right now, just so it'll look decent going to eat, because like it's really dirty. Yesterday was super fun. I know I didn't vlog a ton of things yesterday. Like after Target I stopped vlogging, or I don't really remember, but I played D&D yesterday. That was super fun. And we had a new person come join us also, and they were really great. Actually, no, we had 2 new people. So it was originally supposed to be just 1 person, but this guy brought his girlfriend, and the girlfriend wasn't going to play. Her name was also Kenzie. Could you believe that? She wasn't going to play, but then like she was watching us, and then I guess she really enjoyed it. So like during our break, she created her own little character. So it was super fun. We ended up getting 2 players instead of 1. But yeah, Raph's still in bed. Are you surprised? No, no one's surprised. But I do have to do my advent calendar today. My Nespresso advent calendar. We're on day 11. I genuinely cannot believe that the year is almost over. I mean, the year has gone by really fast, I feel like. It's some parts it's gone by really fast, and other parts it feels like it's gone by really slow. But I don't know, I think in general it's gone by really fast. What do you think, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, I really think it's gone by really fast because Raph got here last November. So like November of 2021 is when he got here. And then it's now December 2022, and I feel like it's just crazy. I can't believe it's already been that long. I don't know, but I fixed my hair. I just kind of re-straightened it a little bit just to make it look nicer today, but that's it for now. I think I'm going to do my advent calendar here in just a minute. I'll take you with me for that today. I'll do that with you today. All right, you guys, Advent day 11. I actually have my husband helping with this today because I wanted to film it both for Instagram and YouTube. Okay, I don't see 11. Do you see 11 on this one? No. I think it's on the next page maybe. No. Am I missing it? Oh, it's right here.
Nice.
There it is. Can I get a little closer? What is it today?
Wow.
Oh, it's the vanilla custard pie. I have some of this too. I have one of these. Mm-hmm. And I think I'll make this one. You want this one today, babe?
Yep.
You want, okay, I'll make this one for Raph, and then I will make myself another one. Fantastic, day 11. I made Raph's coffee in here today because he said that he wanted a cold coffee. Got his ice right there, and then I'm gonna make one of these for breakfast. These are the best croissants. They're really, really good, and we get them from Target. So I'm gonna put it in the new toaster. And Dad, do you want a croissant? No.
We have lunch.
Raph thinks that if he eats anything except for 2 pieces of cereal in the morning, then he won't be hungry for lunch.
Yeah, because lunch for you is 11 in the morning.
No, it's not. It's at like 12:30.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna finish making his coffee. 10 maybe, yeah, whatever.
Wow. Thank you.
Yes. Tell me what you think.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah? Okay.
That's very
All right, I'll make mine now. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do today. If I want mine hot or iced, or I don't know. Alright, here is my outfit for today. I haven't got any shoes on yet, so I'm not going to show that. But I have got my top on from Cuts Clothing. This is just kind of like a crop top, but not like a heavily cropped top or anything. I got my Kate cardigan, of course. I literally wear this thing every day. There's not been one day where I haven't worn this cardigan, at least for some period of the day. I'm obsessed with it. Celine belt. I love this belt. It's so freaking cute. And then I've just got on some jeans from A. Goldie. These are the Riley jeans. Again, don't have any shoes on yet. And then, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna be wearing my little green Jody today. She's so cute, and I think it works really well with this outfit. A little, I guess, pop of color. I hate it when people say that, but I said it anyways. But yeah, I love this outfit. I think it's really cute. I'll show you Ralph's outfit when he gets his stuff on. I think he's gonna be dressing more fancy today too. And here's Ralph's outfit. He doesn't have shoes on either, so don't worry about that. But look at him. Oh my goodness. I can't whistle. But he looks great.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Grazie.
Molto figo.
Grazie, grazie.